Mwah. What's the next question?
Who wants some first?
Yeah. Hello, Kim. Shine on.
Next
Yeah.
question in about 10 minutes.
Lovely. Can I have a look at the question sheet? Shine on. We're having a great time at the Ono Bar with all of our great friends. We're having a great time. Shine on, everybody. And that's what we do here. Mwah. We love you, John. Shine on.
You've got to come round soon.
Yeah, me and John are arranging for Wednesday. Mwah. Wednesday we come around. 7 o'clock. All arranged in it, John. And shine on. Yes, we do.